Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I want to show you guys my cute little Rudolph Christmas ornaments that I made. It's just a fun little idea I came up with, and I thought I would share it with you guys so you guys can make your own, or they will be in my Etsy shop. I'm selling a set of 3, and you can come check them out. I'll put the link down below. And please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys will see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. Okay, so let's show you guys how to do these cute little guys. So I just did some book pages and all kinds of fun little things. Okay, let's start with, you're gonna need circles, and what I have is my 2-inch, whoa, didn't mean to bump you guys. Yep, this is a 2-inch hole puncher. And I just took like a cracker box. I think there's a Ritz cracker box, or you could take a cereal box, or you could do any kind of just cardstock that you want and punch out two of them, because we're going to take them and glue them together like this. So let's get out. And we're going to wind up sewing them together. So I just did my glue stick. And here, get something to glue on here. Make sure you guys can see. So you just take and punch it out, your first 2 circles, and we're going to glue them together. Like this. And you want the good side showing on each side. So we do that, and then you're going to take your other punch, your medium size, which is 1 inch. Okay, so this is your 1-inch one, and you're going to go ahead and punch out 2. Oh. Let me find it. There we go. We're going to punch out 2 of these size ones, because we're going to make little ears with it. That's going to be the ears, and you want both sides, so you're going to need 2 of these size circles, which is a 1-inch. And then we will glue those 2 together. I thought I had another one punched out. I was trying to be ahead of the game here. But what you do is just glue another one on top, same as this. And then I was using walnut stain to go ahead and ink around everything. So go ahead and ink around. Get it all inked up. And I hope you guys are having a crafty little day today. And it's good weather where you're at, in your neck of the woods. It was sunny here a second ago, but I see a lot of rain clouds coming. I'm here in Oregon, and yeah, we're in the valley here, and we've been getting a lot of rain happening. Okay, so you just do your little inking, and then same thing for your ears. You want to glue them together and ink around it, and then I just took scissors and cut them right in half. Just cut them in half, and then it comes up with these. So you got cute little ears. So then I took these, and I stuck them. I actually lined them up with my other ones. So I found out where I wanted them. And before I glued this together, I probably should have popped these in here. But like I said, I'm going to sew these too, so I just needed something to kind of hold it in place, you know. So just line up your ears where you want them. There we go. Okay, so you just line them up. And make sure they're in far enough so when you do sew around. Okay, so we got that far. And now you're going to need a book page. Or whatever you want to do, but I did a book page. So go ahead and take a book page and punch out the 2-inch. Take your 2-inch punch and you know, you could take a bunch of book pages because it helps it get a good bite. So do, you know, if you're going to make a good amount of these, just go ahead and get like, you know, 5 or 6 book pages and then just pop it through. And then I went ahead and did some inking around because it's going to be this cute little face. Okay. And we're just going to just make sure, look at the words and make sure they're appropriate. Because you know how that goes. Okay. And then we're going to put his little face on. And these are just so much, they're so fun to make. And they're super cute. And I thought I would share it with you guys. I mean, that one's a little crooked, but it looks cute. I like it. Okay. So then you got that. Then you're going to take your small punch, which, what is it, a quarter? Yeah, it's a half. That's the 1/2 inch. So you're going to take your 1/2 inch, and you're going to pop out, just out of the little cracker box or cereal box or whatever you're using, just pop out 1. You don't need 2 because we're going to glue it on his face. And I took Crackling Campfire, the Distressed Oxide, and I inked it. I just took it and inked up the nose and made it red, just like that. So just use the brown part, you know, of the box that you're using or whatever you're using. And I just inked it up. And if you don't have the Distressed ink or any ink, you could do, I mean, you could do a red marker would work. You know, a Sharpie marker would be great because it would be permanent too. But just anything like that, you can get creative with it. And you can even do a red construction paper. If you guys have construction paper, just pop one of those out. Or just any, even wrapping paper. If you had some wrapping paper that, you know, had some red in it and stuff, and you just pop those out. So you could get creative with it. And I see my next step coming. I want to make sure I have the right pen. But we're going to glue, I'm getting ahead here. We're going to go ahead and glue this down. And I was just using my Scotch Create glue stick, and it seems to be holding on there. I mean, I think it seems to be holding pretty good. But if not, you guys can use the Fabrifix. I got Fabrifix, which is good for fabric, lace, leather, trims, and more. So it sticks to all kinds of stuff. And I put it into I saw this on Pam at the Paper Outpost. I saw this on her video. And it's the Sweet Sugar Bell icing bottles. And you put it in these, and they're great because they have the thin metal tips. So it makes it really nice just to get it in there without having too much come out. And these bottles are on Amazon. You get 2 4 ounces, and it's a pretty good deal. So you got to check these out. So you could just do these. Or, you know, even the art glitter glue. Here, I'll show you that one. I got that one too. So you just got art glitter glue, which has a little metal tip that comes with it. And that one's definitely good too. Okay, so I just go down to the peak here. And boop. And the way I did the face, I don't know why I did not show you guys that, is, so you got your punch, you punched your hole out, and you're just going to fold it in half and just do like a heart shape. So you're just going to take it and do a heart shape. And I just take a pencil, you know, because you got your round, and you just go ahead and just draw like a half a heart and leave it rounded at the bottom because it's perfect size for the circle. And then you just kind of just do a little, you know, however you want to fit it to the face. So that's how I did the face. I forgot to tell you guys that one. Important part. Okay. So then we have this. We got the ears on. And then I just took a Sharpie pen. Just one of the Sharpie pens here. And drew his little face on. So I just did a little arc. And a little boop. Eyelash. And then a little arc. And a little eyelash. Like that. And then just a cute little smiley face. Just however you guys want to do it. See? Just a cute little face. Like he's just happy. He's a happy little guy. Okay, and then I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and just go ahead and I have black thread in it, so I just sew all the way around. We're going to sew all the way around, just like that. Okay, and I'll be right back. So we got it all sewn, just like that. And it gets, you want to make sure you catch the ears, because you want the ears to stay, so they're solid in there. And then it catches the face, so it stays really nice. And then let's go ahead and trim. Just a little excess here. There we go. And now we're going to take our eyelet. And I got my crocodile, which is in hole punchers. It does hole punches. You can either do 3/16 hole punch, or you could do 1/8 of a hole punch, and you can see it right there. Just the little guy moving right here and here. And then this is the eyelet setter. So you punch your hole where you want it, and then you take your eyelet and put it in the hole, and I'll show you. So I'm going to do the 3/16. Okay. Because somebody asked me, what is the pink thing that I'm using? So I wanted to explain it to you guys if you don't know. So you just punch a hole in there, and then you pop your eyelet through the hole. And for some reason I got the bigger eyelet, so it's kind of hard to get it through the cardboard. So I got one done here. So it's pretty much the same. You just pop it through the hole, right? So you got the end sticking out like that. You got that side, and you just push it through, make sure it's biting, right? Or, you know, it's gonna bite, like bite into the cardboard. And then you take your pipe cleaner, and it's a big, long, and I use brown, and I just fold it in half and then cut it. And I use half. And then you take that half and go ahead and just fold it, right? Like that. And then I take a little bit of Fix, and I just take a little bit of glue, and just right on the tip here, I'm going to put a little bit of glue right there. Okay. So just right there, and then you're going to take your V here and just slide it up. I kind of did a little more glue than I wanted. So I always keep just extra Q-tips over here, because you never know when you make a mistake. Okay. It's a happy little mistake. So you take it and go like this. All right? And this is the finicky part, because you're going to want to pinch it in. You know? So I just kind of hold it here. And the pokey part, this part up at the top right here, that pokey part, it goes in like that, goes through the top like this, and then the flat bottom goes through the bottom. And you just take it and you smash it together, and you want to make sure to clip that pipe cleaner, you know, as good as you can in there. Plus the glue will help hold it. So you just kind of pinch it. See how I pinched it? You glued it down, which is going to help, and then you pinched it in the pipe cleaner. So that's pretty sturdy in there. So you just want to make sure to grab it and get it in there. Okay, now he looks like a little alien. Like little antennas in it. Now, I'm going to fold this little antlers down. And what I did is I just kind of started where I wanted it. You can kind of line it up with the other ones to make them cohesive here. And I just do a little bend. So you do a little bend down, and then a swoop up like that. You make it like a U shape if you want. And each antler will be different, because not one reindeer is exact, you know. So I'll show you again. So you just bend it down, just like that. And then take your finger and make like a U shape. And then pop it up. Okay. And then you can even push them together like that. Just however you want to arrange it. And then if they're too long, use some scissors. Now, I didn't tell you this part. Make sure you use scissors that are gluey and old and all that because it's wire. You don't want to use your fabric scissors because it'll ruin them. So just, you know, take it and go like that. If it's too long, you know. There we go. So, and then you just, you know, fiddle around with it and however you want to have it. So there we go. We got that far. And now all we got to do is put the twine in. So I just took some twine. And just however much. I don't think I even measured, you know. Just whatever looks good to you. And then we take it. And I just tie it. I actually do like 3 knots because I don't want it to come undone. You don't want to hang it on your tree and have it come undone. So I'm trying to at least make them all kind of the same length. Okay. Let's do this. There we go. Okay. So we got it all pieced together, and it's just, you know, a bunch of little hole punches that help do a lot of the work. Is you just punch them out, and you could just sit in front of the TV and just punch a bunch out and just get them all ready and ink the noses and just ink around the faces and just, you know, get everything looking nice how you want it, and then just come put them all together. And like I said, these will be in my Etsy shop. I have a set of 3. A set of 3 of them for sale, and come get them. Limited supplies, you know. I'm trying to, and I'll keep adding more. You know, once if those sell out, I'll go ahead and just keep, you know, making more and get some more in there for everybody. And I hope you guys have fun making these for yourself. And I wanted to show you guys how it's done and or how I made them. And you know, feel free to add any other little fun little things to it. And I'd love to be, you know, hashtag Snowstorm Crafts. Just tag me in it, and I'd love to come see what you guys did. And I hope you guys found this informational. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and like, comment, and share. And let's grow together, guys. And keep on crafting. Have a great day.